Looking to enjoy fresh, delicious coffee at home? The best coffee maker for beginners makes brewing simple and stress-free. With easy controls, quick setup, and consistent results, anyone can start their coffee journey with confidence and flavor. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER Coffee Maker for Beginners. The BLACK+DECKER Coffee Maker for Beginners is an ideal choice for anyone looking for a simple, reliable, and efficient coffee brewing experience. This 12-cup Duralife glass carafe is designed with measurement markings for precise filling, and its easy grip handle ensures comfortable pouring, even when full. One of the standout features is the Sneak a Cup function, which allows you to pour your first cup of coffee before the brewing process is complete without worrying about spills or drips. Complementing this is the Easy View water window, which clearly shows the water level, allowing for accurate brewing and reducing guesswork. The digital controls are intuitive and feature large, rubberized buttons, giving the user a comfortable tactile feel while operating the machine. The screen displays the time, brew status, and programming options, making it easy to manage your coffee-making schedule. Quick Touch programming simplifies the 24-hour auto brew feature, so you can wake up to freshly brewed coffee or set it for any preferred time of day. Additionally, the 2-hour auto shutoff adds a layer of safety and peace of mind, ensuring the coffee maker won't stay on unnecessarily. Its overall design focuses on practicality, convenience, and ease of use, making it perfect for beginners or those who want a hassle-free brewing experience. Whether you're making a single cup or a full 12-cup pot, this BLACK+DECKER model delivers consistent flavor and functionality. Its combination of modern features, intuitive controls, and thoughtful design elements make it a reliable companion in any kitchen. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER 12-Cup Coffee Maker for Beginners. The BLACK+DECKER 12-Cup Coffee Maker offers a blend of performance and convenience that is perfect for novice coffee drinkers. Its Vortex technology features an exclusive showerhead design that evenly saturates coffee grounds, ensuring maximum flavor extraction and a rich, aromatic brew every time. The Sneak a Cup function is particularly useful for those who want to enjoy a cup before the brewing cycle finishes, but the system automatically resumes brewing to ensure the remaining coffee is not wasted. The no-drip perfect pour spout prevents messy spills, allowing for a clean and smooth pouring experience. Another practical feature is the removable filter basket, which is dishwasher safe and compatible with standard basket-style paper filters, making cleanup quick and hassle-free. The Keep Hot carafe plate maintains the coffee's ideal drinking temperature, so you can enjoy warm coffee even if you're not drinking it immediately. This machine's design reflects a thoughtful approach to both usability and flavor quality. Its combination of easy maintenance, anti-drip technology, and intelligent brewing ensures that every cup delivers a satisfying coffee experience. The simplicity of operation, paired with high-quality performance features like Vortex technology and a heated carafe plate, makes this BLACK+DECKER model suitable for home or office use. It is particularly appealing to those who appreciate consistency, convenience, and practical features that enhance the overall coffee-making process. The 12-cup capacity ensures there is always enough coffee for multiple people or extended mornings, making it an excellent choice for households or small teams. Number 3. Cuisinart Coffee Maker for Beginners. The Cuisinart Coffee Maker for Beginners is a high-quality 14-cup machine designed to provide flexibility, control, and an excellent coffee experience. One of its most attractive features is the adjustable carafe temperature, which allows users to choose between low, medium, or high settings to keep freshly brewed coffee at the preferred warmth. This ensures that every cup is enjoyed at an optimal temperature, even if you're not drinking immediately. The brew strength control allows customization for regular or bold coffee, catering to different taste preferences so you can enjoy a perfectly balanced cup every time. Fully automatic functionality makes this coffee maker exceptionally convenient, with 24-hour programmability, 1 to 4 cup settings, auto-off timer, 0 to 4 hours, and an optional ready alert tone, is highly adaptable to various routines and schedules. The 14-cup capacity is ideal for families or small offices, allowing multiple servings without the need for constant refills. The design is both practical and user-friendly, emphasizing efficiency and ease of use. The warming plate keeps coffee fresh, while the machine itself remains simple to operate. Cuisinart's focus on customization ensures that each user can control temperature, strength, and brewing time to suit individual preferences. Whether you're brewing a single cup in the morning or preparing a full pot for guests, this coffee maker delivers consistent flavor and satisfaction. Number 4. XIXUBX Coffee Maker for Beginners. The XIXUBX Coffee Maker for Beginners is a semi-automatic espresso machine designed for coffee enthusiasts who want professional quality drinks at home. Equipped with a powerful 20-bar pressure system, it ensures coffee grounds are fully extracted for a rich, aromatic flavor in every cup. Its instant heating technology sets it apart, allowing immediate brewing after using the milk frother, saving time without sacrificing taste. The steam frother produces dense and glossy microfoamed milk, perfect for lattes, cappuccinos, macchiatos, and iced coffee. Users can customize the coffee volume for single or double shots, and the low-noise brewing system ensures a quiet, peaceful experience. The design is compact yet durable, featuring a 42-ounce removable water tank and a stainless steel drip tray that is easy to clean. Its 360 degrees adjustable and detachable steam nozzle enhances convenience and accessibility, while the clear water level indicator with a red float provides real-time monitoring. This machine offers the look and feel of a professional espresso setup, yet remains easy enough for beginners to operate with minimal guidance. The combination of pressure control, rapid heating, and high-quality frothing capabilities creates a premium coffee experience from the comfort of your home. Its compact, stylish, and functional design makes it suitable for kitchens of all sizes. The XIXUBX Coffee Maker is ideal for those who appreciate barista-quality beverages without visiting a cafe, delivering convenience, customization, and exceptional flavor every time. Number 5. Technivorm Moccamaster Coffee Maker for Beginners. The Technivorm Moccamaster Coffee Maker for Beginners is a premium machine that guarantees consistent, high-quality coffee with minimal effort. It uses a pump-free heating system that ensures water reaches the optimal temperature for ideal extraction, resulting in a flavorful, aromatic brew every time. This model features a brew volume selector switch, allowing users to easily prepare half or full carafes, offering flexibility for small or large servings. The Moccamaster's design emphasizes simplicity and efficiency. A single switch operation lets you brew a full 40-ounce pot in just 4 to 6 minutes, making it exceptionally quick without compromising taste. Its quiet operation ensures a peaceful brewing environment, while the automatic shutoff function adds safety by powering down the machine after 100 minutes. The high-quality materials and construction enhance durability, ensuring that this coffee maker remains reliable for years of daily use. The Moccamaster is particularly suitable for those who value precision, consistency, and craftsmanship in their coffee. Its straightforward, user-friendly approach does not compromise on performance, producing coffee that rivals professional cafe standards. The combination of a rapid brewing process, adjustable volume, and quiet operation makes it a practical choice for busy mornings or relaxed weekends. Overall, the Technivorm Moccamaster Coffee Maker stands out for its balance of professional quality brewing and ease of use. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.